Do you want to build great-looking, interactive websites that your users will love? Welcome to the Complete Web Developer Course 3.0. This course takes you step by step from no coding experience whatsoever to becoming a professional web developer. I'm Rob Percival, and I'm the creator of some of the world's most popular coding courses. I've taught over 300,000 students how to create and code their own websites, and over 2 million students have learned to code from CodeStar's courses. I think that the best way to learn is by doing. So this web developer course is stuffed full of hands-on projects, quizzes, and coding exercises. You'll put your new skills to the test as you learn, and by the end of the course, you'll have built standalone projects for each course section. They're challenging, fun, and for anyone looking to turn web development into a career, are great additions to your portfolio. So what does the course cover? We'll master the foundations first, learning how to build a website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. After that, we move on to creating bigger, better, and more complex websites using jQuery, Bootstrap, and WordPress. When you're confident with that, we'll move on to building server-side applications using PHP and MySQL. Students also get a crash course on Python, which is good if you need a refresher or are completely new to it. The next step is to make your apps and sites more functional, so we'll learn how to add APIs such as Google Maps and Twitter. You've built your site or app now, but you want the world to see it. The final sections of the course teach you how to use SEO to your advantage, with a deep dive section on SEO tips, tricks, and best practices, and how to get your site online with a Web Hosting 101 section. Make sure your website gets seen. As well as my own lectures, I've also convinced some of my fellow CodeStars colleagues to join in and share their experience in later sections. You might well know some of them already, but if you don't worry, I'll introduce you to them throughout the course. So what else do students get from the course? Well, quite a lot. Each new student gets a year's free web hosting, meaning you can start work on your own projects straight away. You also get 3 free Bootstrap themes to use on your website and a copy of my 5-star rated ebook, How to Learn $10,000 While Learning to Code. So what are you waiting for? Start learning how to build awesome websites and join me on this exciting journey today.